The nationwide measles outbreak is still growing. The CDC now reports 102 cases.
So far, people in 14 states have been affected, including neighboring states, Illinois and Michigan. And doctors here are keeping a close eye on the outbreak. News Channel 15's Gina Galeros joins us live from our newsroom with what you need to know. Gina?
Well, local health experts say the bottom line is it's best to get vaccinated, but hundreds of students in our local school systems aren't, making the threat of spreading the measles far greater if the disease arrives here. What if what happened in Disneyland hit Northeast Indiana and our school systems?
I'm watching it every day. The closer it gets to Indiana, the more of a concern it is.
We reached out to the 4 Allen County school districts. 3 of them responded. Of the 30,000 some students in Fort Wayne community, 350 aren't vaccinated for either medical or religious reasons. Southwest Allen has more than 7,200 students. 116 aren't vaccinated. Between 100 and 200 East Allen students aren't vaccinated out of 9,000 students.
Well, my concern would be is what's happening right now when you have just a few people that aren't immunized and then somehow they get the measles. You can see how it's already spread in the country. You can imagine if you had one child in a school system that had the measles, how quickly it could spread in a small community.
Nurse Wendy Walker, who's worked with East Allen for 24 years, remembers a measles outbreak in the schools in the early 90s. If it happens again, kids who aren't vaccinated can't come to school.
And we try to inform our parents that by not immunizing their children, the risk that they have, but again, that's the parent's choice, and we respect that.
Our county health commissioner encourages you to revisit the conversation with your doctor.
With something like measles, where you can be contagious even before the rash, and something so contagious, you're really making yourself vulnerable. So I think this is a great opportunity to kind of rethink your vaccination strategies and get vaccinated with everything that that the CDC recommends at this time.
For risks and symptoms of the measles, head to this story on WANE.com. In the newsroom, Gina Galeros, News Channel 15.